Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is quick and easy tomato pepper soup recipe. Here is the beautiful result on the countertop, looking so inviting. If you want to know how I came up with this result, please sit back. Let's prepare it together. The ingredients we have for the tomato pepper soup recipes are dry fish, stockfish. Please, it is very advisable to use stockfish that there is no bone. As you can see, there is no bone in my own stockfish. Yeah, I got mackerel fish. I got some pepper soup spice. Their name will be listed in the description box. Okay, this is smoked chicken. You can use turkey or any protein of your choice. All right, I got crayfish. This is onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and fresh tomatoes. I got seasoning and salt. And lastly, chicken stock. Before we start cooking our tomato pepper soup, let's first of all boil our tomatoes, onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. For the ginger and garlic, I will blend them fresh. You can as well blend the tomato fresh and pour it directly to the pot and start cooking, but I choose to do my own like this because I don't want to give myself a lot of job after cooking. As you know, tomato do splash everywhere when cooking it fresh. That is one thing I am avoiding. Next is to toast the pepper soup spice. But the Calabash nut milk, I am not toasting it because I've done that already before now. The only reason why I am toasting the spices is to draw out the flavor more and allow the taste or quality to penetrate through the pepper soup. Okay? After blending, allow the spices to cool down and blend until fine powder. Let's go back to the stuff we have on the heat, which is tomato, onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. They are good to go, as you can see. Remove it from the heat and blend the crayfish, ginger, and garlic first with the stock I showed you earlier when I was introducing my recipes. Blend until it is smooth before adding the boiled recipe so that it will not affect the fresh one. Afterwards, add the boiled tomato, onion, and Scotch bonnet and blend with the stock as well until smooth. Please be mindful of pepper if kids are involved. Do not kill people because it is called tomato pepper soup. Next, pour the blended ingredients inside the cooking pot. Rinse the blender with the remaining stock and water if needed. And then add the fresh mackerel fish. Please, the mackerel fish has been seasoned with salt for over 15 minutes. Next is the smoked chicken. You can use turkey or any other protein of your choice. The heat is on now, but very low. Add the dry fish and stockfish. As I earlier said, use a bone-free stockfish, alright? Next is the seasoning cube, salt, mixed pepper soup spice. Stir very well to combine. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. We don't have much to do here because we've boiled the tomato already. This recipe is very quick, easy, and straight to point. After 20 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. I will stir now to combine well and then throw in some basil leaf for more flavor. and then stir again. Give the pepper soup like 5 more minutes to cook well, and then check and balance the taste. And I find out that the taste is excellent. The aroma going on in my kitchen now is so lovely and amazing. On this Joshua Virtuous family, our quick and easy tomato pepper soup recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Virtuous family, this is a beautiful result of it all. I am here on the table enjoying the tomato pepper soup with white rice. You can as well enjoy the tomato pepper soup with pounded yam, plantain, starch, or even fufu. Will you be trying this delicious recipe? Yes, you will. Try this recipe and give us your feedback by tagging us on all our social media handles. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing it at your doorstep. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today. For me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.